The way to copy announcements from a previous semester is to go to Home, click on Import Existing Content, select Copy a Canvas course, type in the course name, and if there are lots to choose from, you can narrow that down by typing in your section number, and then select the semester that you taught. Now this is very important. Do not select all content. Select specific content. You're going to be able to select announcements only. If you do all content, you will create a can of worms that you will not be able to fix. You'll have to call someone and have them reset your course and create it again, which will be a lot of work. So do not copy all content. This could also cause problems for students. If they had submitted any work and your course was reset and re-added, they would lose that work. So please be very careful to select specific content. Then you'll click on Import. Now at this point it creates a job that's queued up, but nothing has happened yet until you select the content. You'll go to Announcements. You can open up your announcements and actually choose which announcements you want to copy. That's enough for now for demonstration purposes. And then down here there's a select content that you can't quite see on your screen. Let's see, there it is. And then that queues up the job, and it will take some time to run. After that's completed, you will then go to Announcements, and you'll see all of the announcements that were copied over. Now at this point you'll want to edit each of these announcements and change the date, delay their announcement, because you do not want these all to be posted immediately. You want to be able to have these post, throughout the semester. You wouldn't want the student to log in the first day of class and have 14 weeks worth of announcements. And so that is all there is to copying announcements from a prior semester.